On March 25, 2026, the Overwatch demo meeting took place in Warsaw, bringing together experts and practitioners to explore innovative uses of geospatial data for managing floods and wildfires. The event featured presentations on the Overwatch project's activities and results, as well as an interactive demonstration that allowed participants to experience the developed solutions firsthand. Through engaging discussions, attendees exchanged insights on how modern technologies can strengthen threat monitoring, operational decision-making, and crisis response. The main panel discussion gathered representatives from various environmental initiatives to share perspectives on leveraging geospatial data for more effective data-driven emergency management. By combining cutting-edge data processing, drone analytics, and augmented reality tools, the Overwatch platform demonstrated its ability to enhance situational awareness, support real-time coordination, and promote proactive crisis response across Europe.